Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a thank you video. If you guys are not following me on Instagram or have not read my community tab, you guys, Elisha Wagman 510, I'm sure you guys know who she is, sent me a gift and I received it yesterday, and I wanted to film this video last night, but I was so emotional. And I might get emotional in this video because this is so generous of her and it touched my heart so much. Like, I have no words to say for how she made me feel yesterday. And if you guys saw the post, you saw she got me a silhouette. And she had filmed the video. Sorry, I'm getting emotional. She had filmed the video stating that she wanted to give me a gift for getting into the Paige Evans team. And you guys, it's just, I just cannot believe how huge this woman's heart is. She's such an amazing human being. And if you're not subscribed to her or you don't know who I'm talking about, please go check her out, because I guarantee you that you will definitely get something out of her channel. She just brightens my day. There's days that I go to work and I don't watch any crafting video. I just have Elisha in the background talking to her fellow crafter friends. I hear her giving shout outs and she just makes my day go by. Or if I'm home and I'm cooking, I just like to hear her in the background. She's a very positive person, sweet person, and this is crazy. Like, this is insane. And I just want to say, Elisha, thank you so much. The color's perfect. I love it so much. I'm gonna enter a clip of the actual machine since I have it set up already, but I just wanted to say thank you so much. Sometimes I ask myself, I don't know how I got here, because I started it off just doing something that I love and it just became this whole big thing, and I still love it so much. Like, it's just turned so big, and that's because of you guys. That's because of the love and support that you guys give me. And without you guys, this channel will not be successful. All the opportunities that I get would not be happening, because I get them because of the love that you guys show. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you, Elisha. This is amazing, and I will never forget this gesture at all. I will love this machine, and I have so many projects to share with you guys when it comes to this machine. I am so excited to craft and create and just use this machine on all my projects for Paige Evans, because as you guys know that I designed for Paige Evans and Silhouette both together. So it's super exciting. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump off because I feel super sentimental and emotional, but happy, not in a sad way. And yeah, Elisha, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate your friendship, and I have something special planned for you when you come back home, and I'm excited about it. So definitely stay tuned for that. And you guys, I didn't get a chance to craft yesterday because I kind of like revamped my craft room and just cleaned out a bunch of stuff. And yeah, now my body is just like in so much pain. I feel like I was at the gym all day or something. But I'm gonna film right now all the stuff for the entries that I've gotten in from yesterday and Friday and Thursday. And oh, happy Sunday, by the way, if I didn't say that already. And what else? This video is all over the place, but it's okay. It's okay sometimes for things not to be so perfect and just be raw, right? So you guys, I'm gonna be filming that real soon. Right now, after these videos, I should be getting some entries up, and I might be filming a room tour since I did a lot of changes in my room. I got some new storage pieces, so I might be filming a room tour soon. And yeah, that's about it for now. Once again, thank you, Elisha. And I'm also mailing out an entry for your challenge, Elisha, but I just don't want you to enter me. I'm just doing it to support I'm doing it to show love to your challenge, your channel. And you're also getting your Halloween ephemera that you said not to send you. That's going in with the challenge. So you'll have more Halloween stuff to use in your projects. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.